So I've only got about 7 or 8 minutes before I have to leave. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna pull the plastic wrap over these, completely fold it. Make sure that there is not a single part of this touching the open air. Same thing with the other one. All right. So those are ready until I'm ready to decorate them. Or you can freeze them. If you're not gonna be decorating them within 24 hours, you are more than welcome to freeze those. A lot of the times when I have a wedding cake or just multiple cakes in the same weekend, which is pretty normal for me, I'll bake on a Monday or a Tuesday and freeze them, and then I'll pull them out of the freezer on Friday when I go to decorate them. Okay, so this is the 9-inch. This is the one that was a little bit more shallow. And this one has a little bit more of a crust because it didn't rise up as much because it was a little bit more shallow in the pan. No worries, when you go to decorate that, you can always trim some of that off. But for now, just level it off. So I'm gonna do the same thing as far as putting it directly onto the plastic wrap. There you go. So I'm gonna continue with this. I'm gonna give the other 9-inch round a few more minutes in the pan before I cut the top off. I'm gonna let this continue to air out and cool until I'm about to walk out the door.